How can I tell if my texts are being forwarded? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a crucial question. How can you tell if your texts are being forwarded? So let's dive right in. Now, first things first, open up your phone app and dial asterisk hash 21 hash and then hit the call and a screen will pop up showing if your calls and messages are being forwarded. If you see any services marked as forwarded, take note. This could mean someone is receiving your messages without your knowledge. Now, what you have to do is go to the settings on your iPhone and then tap on apps and then go to messages. So once you find messages, tap on it and here you'll find call forwarding option. Just toggle it off and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.